All right, I want to encourage you to create a platform for your staff. Whether you're an in-home childcare center and you're super small, or whether you're a large center like myself or bigger or multiple locations, create a platform for your staff to learn and for you to share information on. Here's a couple: Facebook, YouTube. Facebook, you probably have that, whether you're an at-home childcare provider or you have a center. Within that Facebook, you just create a private group, and there you can share information just with your staff. They can request to join. You approve them, and if they leave, you can just remove them from that private group. But you can share great information you see on curriculum or planning or any kind of safety stuff you see on the web or on YouTube. You can add a link or display that video on that private Facebook channel. So that's super easy to do. We'll put a video maybe up there or down in the link on somebody else explaining to you how to do that. Okay. And then the second thing is YouTube. You can create your own YouTube channel, but you can share videos from your phone onto a channel to your staff. You can share my videos for your staff. You can just ask them to take notes to verify that they've watched them, to give them continuing education credit. You can create your own with your phone. All of these things are simple. We'll put a video, maybe the video's up there, maybe it's down there in the link too, but somebody else showing you how to create a YouTube channel. It's pretty easy, but most importantly, think about this. If you feel uncomfortable that you don't have time to do it, hire somebody. Whoa. That costs money. No, it doesn't. Get a high school intern that works in technology and have them do some IT work for you. I'll put a video maybe right here or in the description below on our high school internships. Bo Tobin came to a meeting of ours and talked about high school interns. There's all kinds of school to career programs in your local community that are wanting to get these high school students out into the workforce to get them some exposure, whether it's teaching them to show up on time, how to call off, how to be a great employee someday, and or testing out different fields. But you can get a free intern. They might get a high school credit, or they might even be on a paid internship. They can help you with this system. But you've got to get some kind of platform for your staff where you can share information easily. So anyway, I hope that's helpful. Thanks. Here's some video links for you. Have a marvelous day.